What do you have there, Sean? Huh? Mommy get you a new toy? Cause you like lights? There you go. Ah, to the mouth. What is that? It does lights and music. Your favorite two things. Yeah? Hi. Hi. Can we see your two teeth? Are you gonna show them? There they are. Let's do them one more time. Oh, where? Ah! There they are! Did everyone see the teeth? Those are your teeth. Where's the rest of them? Where are the rest of the teeth? What happened to them? I love you. It's a cool toy. Every time you move it, it makes noises. Alright, peace out, homie.